as you guys have now seen in the previous video, which is right up there. If you want to go ahead and watch that, go ahead and click on it. But I got the new Road King Special, and I moved. Even bigger news. So I ended up having to ride this bad boy up all the way from West Palm up to out here in the middle of Virginia, about 900 miles. Fun time. Did it straight through, just like how anyone really should. But with that being said, after this bike is all finally nice and clean, let's go for a ride. Why don't we? Oh, what a gorgeous day it is to be outside in Virginia. I'm literally brand new here, so what we're going to do is we are just going to explore the area, go find some nice little interesting roads, places I have never been before. I just, looking at these views. I'm in the literally nowhere special, but just these roads in comparison to Florida is just so much better. There's so much more to look at. Oh, this is so nice. Nice and sunny, little crispness to the air. Oh, can't get much better than this. So let's talk about my ride up here. I didn't record it because I didn't necessarily have enough batteries. I actually forgot a lot of my extra GoPro batteries, and I just forgot a lot of different things, and I had to pack really light. So what ended up happening was that I was going to be moving to Virginia, and the last thing that happened, ooh, where is this taking me? Ugh. God. It's what? Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to tell a story here, but I'm just so taken by these views. I'm literally 2 minutes away from my house. Holy crap. Oh. This is just so beautiful. So, I ended up getting a new job up here in Virginia. Yay. And I wanted to have, and I was getting ready to move and packing up everything, and I was planning on putting the bike on the back of the moving van. But what ended up happening, literally my last day of work, is that she heavy.
Damn, boy, he's thick!
There we go. Now we're turned around. Now I can talk more. So on the last day of my work at my previous job, I was leaving. I got to leave a little bit early just because I finished everything. I wrapped everything up. I was so excited. Everyone said their goodbyes. I said my goodbyes. And then as I was pulling out, literally my compensator blew up again. And that was the fourth major thing that went wrong with the bike. And so I literally got tired of it. So I was moving in 2 days, so I sold the bike. I made them give me an amazing deal, both buyback and purchase of a new one, because I did not trust that bike anymore. I love Bertha, but she just had some demons inside of her, man. And so I had to say goodbye. But with that being said, I ended up getting the next bike I was planning on getting anyways, and so now I got the Road King Special. I bought it that day I sold it, and what I ended up doing is they told me it would be ready in 2 weeks. So that's exactly what I did. I asked them, I said, what day will it be ready? They said the 21st. Great. Bought a plane ticket 1 hour later from Virginia all the way back down to West Palm. Where am I? And then when that happened, landed down in Orlando, went all the way down to West Palm, and then picked up my bike on Tuesday. Then had to put on over, I did the math. So with West Palm, they offered me free service for the time of my warranty, which is amazing. I love having that. So I wanted to do the first 1,000 down in Florida because it would have been cheaper for me to do the 1,000 miles down there and pay for the gas and then drive back up than to pay for it at a closer local dealer. So that's exactly what I did. I paid for the gas and everything, and then I had them do the 1,000 for me for free. Perfect. And then, so during that 1,000 miles, I ended up going to Daytona and back, all on the same day, and then I ended up going over to Ozella Trail, which is supposed to be the windiest road in all of Florida. It was perfect. I absolutely loved it. It wasn't as windy as I was hoping. It's not like it's here or anything, but for Florida, it was definitely windy. If you are from the Daytona area and you know it, or you've been to Bike Week, it reminds me exactly of the Loop, along with Key West feels, because it is a part of the Suncoast Keys. So it has the Key vibe along with the Loop scenery. It is amazing. I highly recommend it. There's only one restaurant on there, so you kind of have, it's a good place to go for lunch if you're a little bit more local. For me, it was about 11 hours round trip. I do not recommend it for those people. But so I did the 1,000 miles, and then I rode straight up. I rode from West Palm up to Daytona. I met up with some friends. I stayed the night there, and then from Daytona up to here, I'm gonna say Southwest Virginia area, right up next to the Blue Ridge Mountains. It was about 900 miles total, so about another 1,000 miles. And so I am now here. I am now enjoying this gorgeous weather, where it is now currently right about 63 degrees outside, nice and sunny, nice crisp mountain air, and it is not South Florida, 110 degrees, 100% humidity, melt your face off heat. So I'm going to go enjoy some of these back roads, bring y'all along with me on these new amazing journeys, and I hope you do like this, guys. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'll be happy to answer any questions about the Fat Bob history. I'd be more than happy to share my experiences with you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join me along more of these marvelous trips that I'm going to be having through all of the mountains, and join me on my new experiences of exploring them. So hopefully you hit that subscribe button, and I'll join y'all in the next one. Peace.